There's this hike in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Northern Virginia that I absolutely love. It's right outside the Shenandoah National Park, which is just 90 minutes from Washington, D.C. The park has over 500 miles of trails and is home to Skyline Drive, a scenic byway that runs 105 miles north to south along the crest of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Shenandoah Valley has a humid continental climate with warm summers and no dry season. The park is home to coyotes, striped skunks, spotted skunks, raccoons, black bears.
Oh my gosh, he's adorable.
That guy, he's just a big dog.
Beavers, river otters, woodchucks, possums, 2 species of foxes, white-tailed deer, and of course, the eastern cotton-tailed rabbit. The best time to visit the park is from May until October. After buying a much-needed pair of new boots since my last hike, I took a solo hike to one of the most popular trails in Shenandoah, Old Rag Mountain. The Old Rag Circuit is a 9-mile loop, and depending on where you start, the elevation gain is anywhere from 2,200 to 3,000 feet. The easiest way to get to Old Rag is to type in Old Rag Circuit Hike into your Google Maps and drive to this parking lot. Old Rag is in the national park. This parking lot, however, is just outside of it, so you can park here and pay the $15 access fee instead of the $30 fee you'd pay to drive into the national park. Shenandoah National Park offers 196,000 acres of backcountry and wilderness camping. So, if you want to make the most out of those $15, you can camp out for a day or two. Just know you're not allowed to camp above 2,800 feet, and naturally, leave no trace. So I woke up at 5:30, I packed all my stuff in the car, I got some coffee, I got some snacks. Remember always to bring good snacks, especially if it's cheese. Old Rag is a very strenuous hike. You do need a certain amount of upper body strength to push yourself up through the creeks and crevices of the rocks. I would totally recommend coming out here. Bring good shoes. Definitely bring snacks. Don't forget about those snacks. So I'm almost back at the car and my feet feel great. I'm gonna remember this day because this was the first hike with these boots. Let's see how many adventures these boots last. I think they'll last. That's what I thought with the last pair of boots, and they didn't even last me a year. But I have a good feeling about these boots. Thanks for joining me on my hike today. I hope you learned something. Here at Bright Trip, that's what we do. We want to give you the tools so you can travel smarter, so you could save some time, and you could do the fun things. You should check out our full catalog of travel courses at brighttrip.com and subscribe to this channel so you could get more quick travel tips. Peace out.